Hey guys, today I'll be reviewing two figures made from a company called Toygraph. The series is called Space Troopers, and they're in a line of called Climax. If you look at the feet, there's an emblem on the feet saying Climax right there. These troopers are one of the earliest of Toygraphs line. They're made of clear vinyl head. That's how you could distinguish them between the newer ones. The newer ones don't have clear vinyl heads. So if you look at the head, it's clear. You can see through it. The great thing about this line is that the helmets, you can put them on and you could pull them apart, and they look really special with the helmets on, especially on this line. These both figures have a light up feature. Let me show you how the light up feature works. I'm going to dim on the lights. So what you gotta do is you hit the head with your hand and it lights up. It's a really neat feature, and that's how it is. I'm gonna hit it again, so you can see the whole full body. Just move this over here. It's a really cool feature. You just hit it again. That's how it looks like from all around. So let's talk about articulation. Let's take off the helmet of his head. The head can rotate 360. Just put the helmet back on. Arms can rotate down and up. This arm can rotate down and up. This left hand can hold the gun like that, so he's pointing at you or something like that. The body, we're going to rotate 360. That's about it. That's all the articulation. For the details of this figure, it's made in sprayed in metallic red. And in the middle of his chest, there's a skull, and that's an emblem of a captain. For the back, they have a backpack. It's kind of like an air pack or something like that to give them air. And that's about it for this figure. For this figure, the helmet is really hard to remove, so I won't remove it. And this is made in metallic green. That's the colors of this figure. It uses a different backpack from this one. This one is a more square backpack. This is like a more scuba diver backpack. So it's a little different. Unfortunately for my figure on this one, I ran out of batteries. For this figure, I still have batteries in there. So that's the reason why I didn't like this one up in the review. The negative thing about this figure is the batteries. When the batteries run out, like this figure ran out, it's really hard to change the batteries. The head can be removed from this figure, and there is a compartment inside which holds the batteries. Let me zoom in. So that's where the battery is supposed to be stored in. I took it out using a tweezer, but I'm not sure if I can put the new batteries in there. It's really difficult to put the batteries in there. It's really difficult to take the whole electronics completely out of the figure, because it's snugly inside the head of the space trooper. So that's the negative thing about this figure. To put it back in, you need to make sure you align it correctly, straight down, and snap it on. There you go. So it doesn't shake anymore. Put back the helmet on. And no batteries. This one still has batteries, so it lights up. That's a great thing about this light up feature. And the negative thing about it is very hard to change the batteries. You should know about that. Once this battery ran out for this trooper, I don't know how I'm going to find a way to change his batteries, because it's really difficult, and the battery compartment is snugly fit inside the head, so it's really hard to take out. These space troopers are very collectible. What I mean by collectible is that they look very nice, and it's very rare to have these. They're limited. They're made limited from Toygraph. They don't make hundreds and thousands of these. They make only a couple hundred on each press, especially the clear heads. They look really cool looking, and one of the best details out there. You can look at the details on the head. It looks great. And it looks at the details on this head. It looks great too. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this review. And hope you get more of these vinyls if you see them online. And I hope you buy them all.